Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Amazon Echo was introduced around 4 years back, and till now we have seen different Amazon Echo devices. And today we have with us the Amazon Echo Show 5, which is the latest addition in this series. So let's find out more about it. Starting with the unboxing, we have the Echo Show 5 written here on the top and the picture of the device itself. And then here we have few commands which you can use with this device. And you also get the far field voice control support in this device. On the side of the box we have the features and the MRP, which is 8,999. And here are the supported skills which you can add in this. Echo Show 5 is all about connecting you to Alexa while giving you visuals so that you can see the information right on your screen. Now let's unbox it and see what we get inside. So on the top we have the device itself. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the user guide, which has all the information on how to get started with your new Amazon Echo Show 5. And then we get the power adapter, which has the output of 15 watt. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the device closely. Amazon Echo Show 5 has a display of 5.5 inches, which is the smaller variant of the original Echo Show, which has a display of 10.1 inches. This new version is compact and also quite affordable. The small form factor allows you to use the Echo Show 5 anywhere, and it is actually a good size, especially if you want to keep it on your table. You will see the thick bezels around the display, but overall I find the build quality top notch. The display of the Echo Show 5 is also decent, and you get the resolution of 960 by 480 pixels. In terms of ports and buttons, on the top we have the volume buttons and the manual camera shutter, and there is also a mute switch which will mute the device and turn off the camera. At the bottom we have the speaker grills and the rubberized texture base for better grip. And then here we have the charging port, and you also get the micro USB port along with the aux port. I've been using the Echo Show 5 for a few days now, and I really like the performance of this device. The sound quality is pretty good, keeping in mind the size of this device and also the price you're paying for it. The screen quality is good and the viewing angles are also pretty good, though the touch is not that responsive, but it still does the job. But I should say here that the main feature of the device is to use it hands-free, so you won't be using the touchscreen that often. In terms of usage, like all the Amazon Alexa devices, you would need to say Alexa and then ask a question or a task. And if you ask a question, the Echo Show 5 respond back and also show you relevant picture or data for it. Alexa, who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. By the way, you have one new notification. You can find it on the home screen. Or just say, read my notifications.
How's the weather?
Currently, in New Delhi, it's 28 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 25 degrees.
You can also add different Alexa skills, which includes Uber, Ola, Zomato and so on. And here you just need to ask Alexa to perform certain tasks. You can also use your Amazon Prime account for music streaming and video. In just one command, the Echo Show 5 can resume the movie you are watching on Amazon Prime Video on other devices, such as your PC. Talking about the security features, Amazon Alexa was in and out of news for recording your voice or saving data without your consent. But Amazon has made some changes this time with the Echo Show 5, and they have added a physical camera shutter, and also this time, your voice is streamed to cloud only if it detects the wake up word, which is Alexa. Apart from that, you have the similar features which you get in the Big Brother Echo Show, and you can change watch faces and also call Alexa enabled devices. You can also control Alexa supported devices such as Philips Hue light, MI security cameras, etc. There is a 1 megapixel camera in this device which allows you to make video calls, and you can call Alexa devices or contacts with the Alexa app installed. Overall, I can say that the Echo Show 5 has lot to offer, and we got it during the Amazon Prime sale for just little under Rs 5,000, which is actually an amazing deal. And at this price, we're getting a well-designed product with good sound quality and display. In terms of usage, I have used previous Amazon Echo devices and I found them really helpful. And guys, if you ask me, this device is definitely worth buying, and it's an add-on to your desk which can answer your questions and do simple tasks such as timer, alarm and so on. Right now the price in India is 9,000 rupees, which is actually on the higher side. So if you want to buy one, we recommend you to wait for a sale period. So that's it guys, this was the overview of the Amazon Echo Show 5. Let us know if you like this device, and also if you use any Alexa device, tell us the name and what you like about it in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.